Hello friends, my name is Vivek Goel and I welcome you all in my classes at TopLad. TopLad, a reputed institute which providing CMA Foundation, Inter and Final all the level classes by best of the faculties in India. Friends, I am faculty of direct taxation at TopLad Institute, and in this video I'll be talking about comparison of old and new syllabus and so many questions which generally comes to the mind of the student before they do join video classes. So I'll be covering both comparison and will try to answer all the queries. And still, if you are having any query unanswered, I will provide you contact detail of TopLad. You can call them. Our team is very helpful and will be very supportive to answer and solve all the queries. As you know, under old syllabus, direct tax is 100 marks and indirect tax is 100 marks. Two separate papers were there. However, under new syllabus, institute have merged both the papers, direct taxes and indirect taxes. It's paper number 7 and name is direct and indirect taxation. If I compare overall percentage, out of 200 marks paper, 200 direct plus indirect taxes, approximately 165 marks paper is converted into 100 marks paper. So the student under old syllabus, those are preparing for 200 marks. Compared to them, you have to prepare for 165 marks in 100 marks paper. So more time devotion, more dedication, more hard work is required from your side. When I'm talking about direct taxation, under direct taxation, approximately 85 marks paper has been converted into 50 marks paper. So first let's compare about the course content. When I'm talking about direct tax paper, first part direct tax paper, 2016 syllabus, it is old syllabus, 2022 syllabus, so I will be naming it new syllabus. So new syllabus and old syllabus comparison. Overall 13 chapters. Chapter number can be different if you are compared to institute study module. I have given at my own. For example, if we are comparing 13 different chapters from old module and new syllabus module, only 2 chapters. One is tax liability of partnership firm and cooperative society, and second is assessment under section 143 142. These 2 chapters taken out from the old syllabus. Under old syllabus, partnership firms question was always generally asked in the examination for 8 to 10 marks, and section 43 44 examiner normally asks 5 marks question either on 43 or 143 or 144. So approximately 8 to 10 marks partnership firm question or cooperative society question. Generally both the question are never asked in the examination, and 143 144 5 marks. So approximately 13 to 15 marks question or say syllabus has been removed from old syllabus when converting to new syllabus. All other chapters are remain same. Even all the chapters, the intensity, the depthness of all the chapters will remain same. So dear, only 2 chapters are taken out. One is partnership firm, cooperative society, and second is assessment under section 143 and 144. Okay, so all the chapters otherwise will remain same here. So we have to calculate in old syllabus, we have to calculate tax liability for 4 taxpayers: individual, HUF, partnership firm and cooperative society. Under new syllabus, we have to calculate tax liability only for 2 persons. One is individual, second is Hindu undivided family. We don't have to calculate tax liability for partnership firm and cooperative society. But very interesting thing happens at the time of recording of this video. I've checked the website and institute have not uploaded CMA final direct tax study module. But when I'm comparing the course content under syllabus, because institute have already published prospectus of new syllabus, under new syllabus they have not covered, they have removed partnership firm from inter syllabus, but they have not covered partnership firm under new syllabus as far as their prospectus is concerned. but I am waiting that while they prepare study module for final level, they must include partnership firm at final level. Okay, is it clear? So only two chapters are removed, so approximately 85 marks. Okay, 100 marks. Out of this 100 marks, they have converted 85 marks syllabus for 50 marks only. Again, I am saying you have to devote more effort and time to score good marks in this paper. Books and notes, it's very important part. How do we prepare in the classes? Dear Institute have already launched new syllabus at their website. You can go to website and download all the syllabus, all the study module of direct and indirect taxes. Our study shall be based fully on Institute study module. It is your Gita, it is your Quran. You cannot ignore Institute study module. Our each and every lecture, all the topics which has been covered under study module, I will be covering in class itself. I will not be teaching any extra topic. We are recording these classes exclusively for CMA students. So don't worry, I will not be teaching any topic which is a part of CA student. No, there are so many topics under the PGP chapter which are not covered for you people, but they are taught to CA students. So don't you worry, these classes are recorded for you specially. So our study shall be based on Institute study module. You don't have to purchase any book from the market. You don't have to purchase scanner from the market. You don't have to purchase any reference book from the market. Institute study module is more than sufficient to score more than 75% marks in text paper. What do you have to do? I'll be explaining each and every concept in class itself. You have to you have to purchase two register, one for theoretical concept, one for practical concepts. So all the concept which I will be discussing in the class, you have to make class notes. It has been scientifically proven that when you prepare notes at your own, it is easy to record here. So class notes plus Institute study module are more than sufficient to score more than 75% marks in my paper. Question bank. When I'm talking about text paper and especially of direct taxation, very good practical portion is covered. So we will be covering, but obvious, whenever I will be teaching any practical concept, I will provide you an example covering covering all the area of that particular concept. Besides that, we will be discussing past examination questions from CMA inter-examination. We will also be covering past examination questions from CA institutes. We will be covering CMA Institute study module questions. Few questions I will be discussing in class itself and few questions I will provide you for homework. RTPs and MTPs. Before examination, Institute issue revisionary test paper and mock test paper at their website. I will be discussing both the things with you too. And question bank, after completion of the course, I'll be sharing question bank in PDF form. So if you need, you can take print out of those question bank, and in this question bank I will provide you questions for examination practice, and all the questions will be given with detailed answer, and I will try to provide you marking scheme too, so that after completing the question, when you compare your answer, you will be able to understand, if I do solve this question like this in examination, how much marks I am going to get. So marking scheme I will try to provide in question bank. Okay. When we are talking about duration of the class, in old syllabus, direct tax was about 100 marks. In new syllabus, it will be covering approximately 80 to 90 marks. So roughly estimation I am giving right now. You will be having any queries related to my subject. For example, you have taken the class and you find any problem in any concept, you can contact me directly. Once you purchase my classes, my direct mobile number will be shared with you. You can contact me directly through WhatsApp. You can send voice notes, you can send text message, or you can take the pic of the or screenshot of the problem and you can send me on WhatsApp. You can send me WhatsApp 24/7. In next 24 working hours, I will try to answer your queries. Okay. If I am free, I will answer you quickly, immediately. But if you will be asking question, because generally if you will be asking question midnight, so generally professional students, professional when I'm talking about, so I'm talking about CA, CS, CMA, MBA, etc. student. So generally these students study in late night. Dear, you can send me query 24/7, but I will not be available 27 on WhatsApp. But don't you worry. In next after receiving your query, I will try to answer in next 24 hours max to max. You can purchase our classes through TopLad. So you can go to website www.toplad.in, and if you have any query or want to inquire something more about the classes or have any discount, need any discount, please call TopLad team directly on 18003091 I hope this session has been fruitful for you. See you soon in my classes. Keep learning. All the best.